Welcome to our journey through the fascinating state of South Carolina. Today, we'll explore 5 fun facts about this remarkable place that will surprise and enlighten you. So, sit back, relax, and join us as we embark on this educational adventure. Let's begin with our first fun fact. Did you know that South Carolina is nicknamed the Palmetto State? But why the palmetto, you might wonder? The palmetto is actually a type of palm tree that grows in coastal areas of the state. You can find the sabal palmetto on South Carolina's state flag, a symbol of the state's rich history. During the American Revolution, palmetto logs were famously used in the construction of Fort Moultrie on Sullivan's Island. Legend has it that the fort's spongy logs absorbed cannonball impacts from British ships, leading to a significant American victory. This historical triumph helped inspire the unique nickname and the pride the state takes in its natural symbol. Our adventure continues with an exciting second fact about South Carolina. It's home to an incredibly important and historic first. The very first battle of the Civil War took place here. This occurred at Fort Sumter, located in Charleston Harbor on April 12, 1861. It was at this site that Confederate forces fired upon the Union garrison, marking the beginning of the American Civil War. Today, Fort Sumter is a national monument where visitors can learn about this pivotal moment in American history and reflect on the themes of unity and progress. Now, on to our third fact. South Carolina is a state known for its unique and delicious food. Among its many culinary delights is a dish called shrimp and grits. Originally a simple breakfast dish for fishermen, shrimp and grits has become a beloved meal across the entire southern United States. It's made from fresh shrimp, creamy grits, and often includes a tasty blend of spices and seasonings. This dish represents the state's rich coastal culture and its traditions in farming, fishing, and culinary arts. Next time you're in South Carolina, make sure to try this iconic dish. Our fourth fact takes us to the world of music. South Carolina is proud to have been the birthplace of the Godfather of Soul, James Brown. James Brown was one of the most influential musicians of the 20th century, known for his electrifying performances and groundbreaking contributions to soul and funk music. Born in Barnwell, South Carolina, James Brown's legacy lives on through his iconic songs and his impact on the music industry. He paved the way for countless artists and continues to inspire musicians around the world. Finally, our journey through South Carolina wouldn't be complete without mentioning its stunning natural beauty. Did you know that the angel oak tree located on Johns Island near Charleston is estimated to be over 400 years old? This magnificent southern live oak tree stands at an impressive 65 feet tall and provides shade with its sprawling branches that extend over 89 feet. It's one of the most photographed landmarks in South Carolina, capturing the imagination of all who visit. The angel oak tree is more than just a tree. It's a symbol of the enduring beauty and resilience of nature. As we wrap up our exploration of South Carolina, we hope these fun facts have given you a glimpse into the state's rich history, culture, and natural wonders. Whether it's the historic battles, the culinary delights, the musical legends, or the majestic landscapes, South Carolina has something for everyone to appreciate. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, there's always more to learn and discover about the world around us. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.